In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Shopify menu through the admin panel, and we'll focus on the user-friendly methods that require no coding skills whatsoever. If you're a store owner or manager looking to enhance your website's navigation, then this tutorial is just for you. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's look at how you can edit your existing menu by adding, removing, or reordering links. You'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin. Depending on your theme, navigate either to the Content and then Menus section, or you might see an option for Online Store, followed by Navigation. Once there, click on the menu that you'd like to adjust, such as your main menu or footer menu. From this point, you'll have the flexibility to add new items, which could be links to specific products, collections, pages, or even external URLs. You can edit the names of these items to make them easily recognizable for your visitors. Reordering them is as simple as dragging items to your preferred position using the handy drag handles. If there are any items you find redundant, you can remove them with ease. Moving on, let's discuss setting up drop-down or nested menu items. Within your selected menu, such as the main menu, you can create a more organized look by nesting items under a top-level menu item. This is done by dragging an item slightly to the right beneath another. Assuming your theme supports drop-downs, these nested items will appear in a drop-down format on desktops or within a drawer or hamburger menu when viewed on mobile devices. This can significantly enhance user experience by keeping your menu uncluttered. Next, you'll want to choose which menu appears in specific areas of your site, such as the header or footer. To do this, go to the theme editor by navigating to Online Store, then Themes, and selecting Customize. Within this customization interface, locate the header or footer section depending on which menu you wish to adjust. Most themes offer a setting that allows you to select which menu appears in the header or footer, ensuring that your most critical navigation points are easily accessible to your visitors. Finally, we come to the customization of your menu's appearance, which can significantly impact your brand's aesthetic. In the theme editor under Theme Settings, or within the header section's settings, you can pick menu styles and alignment. There are options for font size, deciding whether your menu should be sticky or reveal itself upon scrolling. Additionally, you might find controls for how many levels of drop-down items are permitted. Before wrapping up, always remember to save your changes. It's a good practice to preview your updated menu both on desktop and mobile to ensure everything not only looks great, but also functions smoothly. This helps verify that your nested items and drop-downs are behaving as expected, particularly on mobile where things might display differently. That's about it for today's tutorial. By making these simple adjustments, you can create a more intuitive and visually appealing navigation for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.